Hello, my name is Rachel. I am the girl with the Pilates mat and welcome to my channel. Today's workout, all you're going to need is a mat, and I want you to think today is all about the breath. So it's going to be a guided breathing along with our Pilates movements. So go ahead and get yourselves ready and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so let us begin. So we're going to start sitting up with our feet hip width apart, and our hands are going to be gently underneath those legs there. And I want you to use those hands, those arms, to just gently lift up through the spine and let your shoulders just drop down. So everything feels nice and relaxed and sitting in the right place, no tension in the neck. Now as we breathe in, I want you to feel yourself elevating, feel your spine lengthen. And as you exhale, we're going to soften that lower back, draw the tummy muscles in, and just start to move back gently. You're going to breathe in, and as you breathe in, think of lifting your heart towards the sun, drawing the shoulders back and down. Eyeline can lift as well. Exhaling, drawing the tummy in, softening your lower back. Breathing in to lift. Breathing out as you round and lower. Breathing in to lift. Breathing out as you round and lower. One more, inhale, lift. Exhale, rounding and lower. Now inhale, lift, and as you lift, let's raise the arms out to the side. Exhale, we're going to round those arms as we round our lower back. Inhale, let's opening the shoulders, the chest. Exhale, softening everything, rounding the lower back. Inhale to open. And exhale to round and lower. Inhale to open. Exhale to round and lower. And inhale to open. And as you exhale, you're going to place your hands behind you, fingertips pointing out. We're going to take a deep breath in. Exhale, pressing into the feet and hands, lifting the hips off the floor, feeling that stretch across the chest. Inhale, we're going to lower with control, barely touching the mat. We just touch. And exhale, we lift back up. Inhale as we lower. Exhale to lift. Feel your eyes are just brushing up the wall towards the ceiling. And then we're lowering down. Good. Exhale to lift. And inhale to lower. One more time, exhale to lift. And inhale to lower. Well done. From there, the leg nearest me is going to bend, and you're going to turn onto that hip so you're facing me. From here, we're going to inhale, lifting up, taking the arm over, feeling that stretch through the body. Exhale, lower down, following that hand with your eyes. Inhale, lift. Good. Exhale as you lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. And just one more. Inhale, lift. And exhale to lower. Let's do the other side. So just turning away from me. Here we go. And inhale, lift. Feeling that lovely stretch. And exhale as you lower. Inhale, lift. And exhale to lower. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. And one more, inhale, lift. And exhale to lower. Well done. Coming to lie down now. So all the way down onto your mat, bringing your hands back down by your side, taking a deep breath in. Let's exhale, drawing the tummy in, flexing the lower back, peeling your spine up off the floor. You're going to inhale here. Pause for a moment and then exhale, softening through the rib cage, coming down through the spine and back onto your mat. Taking a breath in, breathing out to tilt the pelvis and roll the spine up off the floor, trying to exhale through the whole of the lift. Inhale at the top. Pause for a moment. Exhale, feel your chest relax as you come down through that spine. And again, deep breath in. Exhale to tilt. Rolling that spine up. Inhale to hold. Exhale. Lowering back down. And one more deep breath in. And exhale to tilt. Roll that spine up. Inhale to hold. And exhale, lowering all the way back down. Well done. Let's float our legs up into a tabletop position. And let's take the arms out to the side. Knees and ankles together. Let's inhale, taking our knees over to the right hand side. Exhale, feel your tummy pulling in as you come back to the center. Other way. Inhale as you go over. Exhale to return. Inhale over. And exhale, return. Inhale over. And exhale, return. Last two. Inhale over. And exhale, return. And inhale over. And exhale, return. Let's place our hands on our knees. Let's lift our head up. Any tension in your neck, then please put your head down. Otherwise, we're going to inhale, extending our arms and legs. Exhale, circle the arms, pulling the knees into the chest. Inhale, extend. Exhale to circle. 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 Placing the hands behind the head, opening the elbows, extending that left leg, turning towards your right knee, taking a breath in. You're going to exhale as you switch. Inhale to hold. Exhale to switch. Inhale to hold. Exhale to switch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Well done. Bring those legs together. Take your head down, take your feet down, place your hands down on the floor. Take a deep breath in. Exhale to tilt the pelvis and roll the hips up off the floor. From here, we're going to reach our arms overhead. They're just going to hover overhead. You're going to take a breath in. You're going to exhale to lift your right heel. Inhale to lower the heel. Exhale to lift the other heel. And inhale to lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. And lower. And lift. And lower. Bring those hands over and down. Take a breath in. Exhale, coming all the way down through the spine, extending your left leg along the floor, taking the arms out to the side, unfolding your right leg as far as you are able, flexing the foot if you wish. Inhale, taking the leg across the body. Exhale, circle around and up. Inhale across, exhale around and up. Inhale across, exhale around and up. And inhale across, exhale around and up. Other way, inhale out and exhale around. 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 Pointing the toe, taking the leg down to the floor. Let's unfold that left leg, extending up towards the ceiling. We're going to inhale across, exhale around. Inhale across, exhale around. Inhale across, exhale around. And inhale across, exhale around. Going back the other way. Inhale out and exhale around. Inhale out and exhale around. Inhale out and exhale around. And inhale out and exhale around. Pointing the toe and taking the leg down to the floor. Now you're going to turn towards me onto your side, reaching that bottom arm out, lengthening through those legs, hand in front of you, taking a deep breath in. You're going to exhale to float both legs up, inhale to lower, but not quite touch the floor. Exhale to lift back up, and inhale to lower. Exhale to lift, inhale to lower. Exhale to lift and lower, and one more, lift and lower. From there, rolling onto your front, bringing your hands onto the back of those legs, tucking the chin down. And from here, we're going to inhale to lift, reaching back with those arms, raising those arms. Exhale as you lower back down. We're going to inhale to lift and exhale to lower. Use that inhale to get you up. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower, and inhale to lift. And exhale to lower. Rolling over now onto the other side. Hand in front of your chest. You're going to take a deep breath in. Exhale to lift those legs up. Inhale to lower and hover. Exhale to lift. Inhale, lower and hover. Exhale to lift. Inhale, lower and hover. And exhale to lift. Inhale, lower and hover. Turning back onto your front. And then from here, let's have our feet slightly apart, hands down. Pushing your pelvis forward, we're going to inhale to start to lift the chest off the floor. Exhale, press into the hands, going as far as you feel you want to go. Take a breath in here. And exhale, lowering back down. And again, breathing in, lifting up. Feeling the movement through the neck, through the upper spine, and then pushing into the hands to continue the journey. Take a breath in, breathing out as you come back down. And one more time, inhale. Exhale, pressing into those hands. Inhale to hold and exhale, coming all the way down. Let's have our hands under our shoulders, pushing up into a kneeling position. And then from here, we're going to think of lengthening through the spine, pressing down into those hands, feeling that lovely extension through the back. And then we're just going to point our elbows back. And as we inhale, we're going to take our weight forward into our arms, dipping down. Exhale to push up. We're going to inhale, lower. Exhale, push up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, push up. And inhale, lower. Exhale, push up. Then your hand furthest away from me is going to thread underneath the other arm, reaching towards me. And you're going to draw it back, and you're going to follow the hand all the way up to the ceiling. Let's repeat. So inhale as you thread towards me. Exhale as you go back up. One more. Inhale. And exhale as you go up. Well done. Changing sides. Inhale, arm out to the side and threading through. Exhale as you go back the other way. Inhale, threading under. Exhale as you go up. And one more. Inhale, threading under. And exhale as you go up. Well done. And from there, you're going to come and sit facing me with your knees crossed, sitting up nice and tall. Close your eyes for a moment and let's take a deep breath in together. And then long breath out. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Feel that body relax. And last one, deep breath in. And exhale. And then gently open your eyes. And thank you very much for joining me today. Do go ahead and press the like button, and please share with any friends you have that you think might enjoy our workouts, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, have a lovely day, and I'll see you again soon.